Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something most of us deal with, but no one really likes to discuss. Morning breath. Ever wondered why your breath isn't the freshest when you wake up? Well, let's break down the reasons behind it, and I'll also give you some simple tips to help reduce it. When we sleep, our body produces less saliva. Saliva actually helps to wash away bacteria and food particles. So when we don't have as much, bacteria can multiply and cause that strong, stale smell. Our mouths naturally contain bacteria, which feed on food particles and release odors. At night, when we're not eating or drinking, bacteria have a field day. That's why the smell is usually stronger in the morning. Certain foods we eat, like garlic or onions, can affect our breath long after we eat them. Plus, if we don't brush and floss well before bed, leftover particles give bacteria even more fuel to create odors. If you're a mouth breather, whether due to allergies or just habit, it can make things worse. Breathing through your mouth can dry it out even more, leading to an even stronger smell. Alright, so now that we know why it happens, here are some things you can do to keep morning breath under control. Drink water throughout the day, and maybe keep a glass by your bed. Staying hydrated helps your body produce saliva, which naturally fights bacteria. Make sure to brush for 2 minutes and floss before bed. If you're really serious, you can even brush your tongue or use a tongue scraper to reduce bacteria further. Using an antibacterial mouthwash before bed can help kill odor-causing bacteria, giving you a fresher start in the morning. If you're a mouth breather, try to figure out what's causing it. Nasal strips or a humidifier might help if it's due to allergies or dryness. Lastly, cutting back on certain foods like garlic and onions at night can make a difference. So there you have it. Morning breath may be a natural part of life, but with a few simple steps, you can definitely minimize it. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more useful health and wellness advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.